Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to convert live photo to video in this device. First of all, you need to open the Photos application, then you need to select a live photo. So let me show you. So next one, this is the live photo that I took in this device. So here I am going to convert this live photo to video. So here you can see the live photo, you can see. Okay. Yeah. First, you need to select the live photo. You can see this is the. Now tap on the three dots on the top right side. So here you can see the option save as video. Tap on this one. Now let me show you the next. You can see that live photo is saved as video. You can see, right? You can post this one also. This is the live photo and this is the converted video. So simply in this way we can convert the live photo to video in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.